Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening camera and selecting portrait. Do that now. Position your subject roughly 2 to 8 feet from the lens so depth detection engages. Use grid to align horizons and eyes. Once done, choose the lens that matches the look you want. 1x for natural, 2x for tighter faces, because lens choice affects background blur and framing. Make sure portrait lighting is set to natural or studio for predictable skin tones. These initial choices determine the whole shot. Now compose and lock your exposure and focus. Tap and hold on the subject until AE/AF lock appears. This keeps the camera from shifting mid-shot. Then slide the sun icon to adjust exposure for highlights or shadows because small changes drastically affect mood. If your iPhone shows the F button, tap it and drag to change depth control. Lower F equals stronger blur. Once framing and blur are dialed, preview portrait lighting presets and pick the one that flatters the face. When you're ready, press the shutter or use a volume button to reduce camera shake. For action, hold volume for a burst so you can choose the best frame. After capture, open the photo, tap Edit to tweak portrait lighting, adjust depth control, or change crop. This corrects framing and background balance. If the subject's edges look wrong, move them further from the background or add more light. Doing that fixes blur artifacts and helps the depth algorithm perform reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.